This is G-Case. It's a new category of Switch accessory. We call it the ultimate gaming case. On the one hand, it's a modular charging case. The replaceable battery will keep your Switch always charged. On the other, it's a grip case. You will appreciate the feel it brings you. It comes with 3 sizes of grip, so you can always find the one that fits your palm. Unlike other cases, it is engineered with a low-latency Bluetooth module. Allows you to seamlessly connect 2 wireless headphones. Immerse yourself in the game with music. When you are in tabletop mode, the Joy-Con cases can slide to be a Pro controller. The foldable kickstand will give you a perfect gaming view. G-Case comes with a dock for TV mode. Connect it with our One dock, and it brings your game to a big screen. Over the past 2 years, we designed this case from the ground up. Besides those features, we also dived into the details. Now, you can charge your smartphone with a battery pack and bring 2 game cards with the additional card slots. The LED indicator tells you the battery status. It's the ultimate gaming case for all Switch gamers. Take it wherever life takes you.